Hey y'all, and thanks for stopping by Design by Kathy. Today I'm going to do a pour. It's going to be a dipped canvas, and it's going to be, I want to create like a double image, a mirrored image. We're going to dip one canvas onto the other. Anyway, it's going to be kind of fun. And I'm hoping it's going to turn out really cool. So let's just get right to pouring. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate it. And give me some thumbs up, and I look forward to your comments too. So let's get to it. The colors I'm going to use for this pour is navy. I've got yellow ochre, phthalo green, and peacock teal. I chose these colors off. I have a Pinterest board under Design by Kathy, and I have a board called Color Palettes. And if you get stumped on some color ideas, it's been very helpful to me to put together a palette that someone else has already, come up with that looks great together. A lot of them are from nature. Various different things. Anyway, it's just Designed by Kathy on Pinterest, and then my color palette board, and there is a link down below. Now, I started off with one color palette that just, I wasn't feeling it, let's put it that way. So scrape these off, and I'm going to start again. These are mixed with Floetrol. Basically 1 part paint to 2 parts of the Floetrol. And if the top will come off. If you kind of pour down the side, it won't just instantly sink down into the other paint colors. It'll just kind of bank it off the side, and it helps it stay where you want it to. In your layer. Ooh, pretty colors. Okay, I'm going to take my other canvas and lay it right on top of this. And try to just make sure every part of your canvas comes in contact. Oh yeah. Wowzer man. That's pretty pretty. Ah, that makes me happy. Happy colors. Oh, that just really, I've got an idea for the rest of that paint in there. But I've got some bubbles. I'm going to see if I can take care of those. Let's see what we got going on up here. Now this is an excellent fun way to get a grouping. All right, that was fun. Loved the colors together. Wouldn't have picked them right off the shelf by myself, but like I said, go to my Pinterest page, the color palettes color. It's just called color palettes under on Pinterest. Anyway, this is great. Be great for, like I said, a wall grouping. Because we've got it all just flowing across here, just like it's supposed, just like it was a mirror. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Be sure to comment below and check out the links below. And happy pouring, and I'll see you next time.